Okay, my dear students, come to the second problem. This is also relating to the preparation of lecture record. So we have to know which name of the lecture record we are going to prepare. Now I am reading the problem. From the following data, prepare Ravi Accord in the year of 2019, February 1st. So we have to prepare a name of lecture record, that is Ravi Accord. So we have to give a name to the proforma, name as Ravi Accord. That is nothing but we are going to prepare a lecture record with these following transactions. Come to the first one. Bought goods from Ravi. So before that, again we have to remember three rules of accounts into journal entry that will bring into our lecture record. Before that, we have to find a name of the transaction will be there or not. A name of the person is nothing but Ravi transactions. Bought goods from Ravi. Here also we have Ravi. Purchase, missionary purchase from Ravi. Here also name. And next one, cash paid to Ravi, goods returned to Ravi, check paid to Ravi. So all transactions are relating to our name of the person, Ravi account. So I am writing first journal entry into first transaction. Bought is nothing but purchase. Purchase is there in debit side of nominal account. This is the indication to give an entry, that is nothing but debit system and credit system. From Ravi is nothing but he is the giver. Giver is there in personal account under credit side. Right? Is it clear? And come to enter this one into entry. That is purchase account debtor to Ravi account. This one is completed. And second one, missionary purchase from Ravi. Missionary purchase. Missionary we are purchasing, so missionaries comes in. Comes in is there in real account according to debit side system. Purchase is nothing but expenses. According to nominal account, expenses also debit side. So we have to give first preference to assets. So missionaries comes in is there in debit side of real account. From Ravi is nothing but is giver. Giver is there in personal account under credit side. Right? So missionary account data to Ravi account. Missionary account data to Ravi account. Right? And next one, that is on 4th. Cash paid to Ravi. Ravi is nothing but he is receiver. Receiver is there in personal account under debit side. Cash paid means cash is goes out. Goes out is there in credit side of real account. This is our assumption, but in our examination no need to write this type of entries. Directly we have to convert the transaction into ledger account. Just I am giving a simple indication about the procedure. This one is Ravi account data to cash account, means we are paying cash. And next one, sixth one, goods returned to Ravi, means Ravi is receiver. Receiver is there in debit side of personal account. Returned goods means purchase returns. Ravi account data to PR account, nothing but purchase returns. And last one, check paid to Ravi. Ravi is receiver. Receiver is there in debit side. To check will be converting into bank. This is the entries about our Ravi account transactions, and we have to enter this transaction into ledger. First one, purchase account data to Ravi. So Ravi is credit and the debit transaction entry into credit side. 2019 February 1st by purchase we have to write. By purchase 1000. Next one, missionary account data to Ravi. So Ravi will be credit side and the debit side transaction will be converting into credit side. By missionary worth is 5000. Next, Ravi account data to cash. Ravi account data to cash, that is also 2019. February 4th, to cash worth is 10,000. Right, last one. Sorry, goods returned to Ravi. Ravi is receiver. We are entering purchase returns. Ravi account debtor to purchase returns account, that is on 6th. Return goods worth is 5,000. Right, and last one, check paid to Ravi. To Ravi means we are paying check. Ravi account debtor to, like this. Ravi account debtor to bank. Ravi account debtor to bank account. Account symbol we are work out. Right. The worth is 5,000. Is it clear? All transactions are entered. Once again we have to see purchase goods from Ravi. Ravi is giver. So it is completed. Purchase account debtor to Ravi. Debit will be converted into credit side of Ravi account. Machinery purchase. Machinery account debtor to Ravi. So debit side of machinery. Credit side of machinery will be converted. Ravi account debtor to cash. Ravi account debtor to cash. Ravi account debtor to purchase returns. Ravi account debtor to bank. Ravi account debtor to bank. This one is also completed. Now we have to finalize the values. Underline the total pro forma. To keep two parallel lines to the total columns. Two symbols must be equal stage. Debit values 10 plus 550 plus 520,000. Credit values 1,000 plus 5,000 6,000. What was 6,000? 14,000 our total value. So we have to take this excess value 20,000 here and here also 20,000. Write this least value down of the total column. Subtract from 20,000 to 6,000. Balance 14,000. It has 28 February by balance carried down. This is the value we have to represent like this. So this is about our second problem. In third problem we are going to solve all relating and non-relating transaction along with this formula.